Good afternoon, gentlemen. I'm Gaurav, and I represent Zenga. Zenga means freedom, and we proudly say that we bring this B2C service uh, to the users as a mobile TV application and a mobile TV platform, which is designed to serve low-cost bandwidth, low-cost content to the users at a very good experience. Uh, Zenga today runs its flagship service through its mobile TV platform, which is Zenga TV. So Zenga TV is not only a mobile application or a web browser service, but it is also a platform which can serve content on a 2.5G and above networks. We have applications across different platforms on Android, on BlackBerry, on iOS, and other devices. Not only that, we have an integrated platform. So we provide services to the publishers who can upload their content. It can automatically transcode system and derive content for different screen sizes in almost near real time. We have other services, which is Cricket Zenga. Now it is known as Cricket Companion. For last 3 years, it has been doing, it is one of the top 3 applications across the cricketing community. We have Zenga TV on different platforms, which is a core-centric entertainment platform. And then we had Facebook applications and Twitter applications that were initially embedded on the mobile OEM partners. Zenga TV is a mobile entertainment company. So from the background, we started with IPL 2009, almost served almost 350 million users worldwide during IPL 2009, bringing in a seamless experience. We were providing content, we powered the content for YouTube at that time through our own platform. Today, our user base has around 22 million unique users month on month. We have around 350 million video views per month across different platforms where we have our mobile application distributed. We rebroadcast of more than 150 TV channels. We own exclusive rights on almost 18,000 movies and 40,000 music tracks. So this is the strength of our platform, where we provide services not only to the publishers by distributing the content, providing service platforms. We also provide services to the production houses who can actually upload the content to our platform. We help them transcode, distribute the services through our mobile TV applications as well as on other different medias. We own almost 10 most popular celebrities on the digital media today. We are one of the largest providers of content to YouTube today. Revenue streams, so we have different revenue areas. One of them has been embedding on mobile devices. So our application is, again, not a device dependent. It is a web service as well as mobile application. Mobile application comes with features with its own video player, which can run advertisements on the fly. Advertisement, we have been partnering almost with 50 prominent brands who've been recurring and regular advertisers on Zenga and Zenga's different properties. And most recent developments have been that we have been aligning ourselves, again, aligned with our vision on a B2C service model with the operators on a data share model, so that we can still continue to bring content to the users at a low cost or as a free cost and recover the cost on different areas. The distinguishing factor that we have developed over the period of time is that Zenga is a technology company at heart. So whatever we do, whatever we deliver, we actually develop those solutions in-house. We were able to crack high quality, we've been able to crack solutions and packets where we have been able to serve live streaming, frame on frame, even on a bitrate system which is as low as 25 kbps. So that means that we can reach out to markets which has lower bandwidth ratios or lower bandwidth available for the users. These are some of the case studies. We have delivered IPL 2009, 2010 on web. We have managed properties like Champions League, IPL, and IPL 2011. Not only that, we have designed these websites, we have managed and hosted these infrastructures on our own platform. Some of the numbers which are definitely promising, IPL 220.com CLT220.com saw 50 million users without any failure. Live streaming on web on YouTube.com IPL was done by us during the initial seasons. So definitely, in the changing era, the changing trends have been that users have been watching television on mobile, and as rightly said by the previous presenter, that it is a medium to reach out to the larger audience today. What we are trying and what we see next is the ability to provide this content and enable this distribution platform through a single ingestion system to multiple distribution platform of multiple screen sizes in one time. These are some of the case studies. We've been only ones who basically did some of the events live on web as well as on mobile. Sunburn in Goa was done by us. Crunch we did, which was a first time experiment, a live reality show 24/7, 30 days. We served it using our platform. IPL I've already mentioned. Then there are a couple of marketing and PR snapshots that you have which present our ability to serve content across different platforms. These are some of the content partners, and from these content partners we've been serving content, providing platform to some of the known names and some of the business partners whom we are aligned today to provide services. We have been recognized in by different bodies. NASSCOM League of 10 Leaders Award 2011, NASSCOM Emerge 50, and then subsequently a couple of areas where we've been recognized. This is our management team. Shabir, who has founded the company and has been the brainchild behind the technology. Abhishek has recently joined. He was earlier with Sony. And Vikram is also a director and co-founder of Zenga team, Zenga TV, along with Shabir. That's about it. Thank you.